This instructional video is designed to show you how to use information about isotopes and atomic mass to find the relative abundance when you do not have it. In this case, we have zinc 64 and zinc 67 as the isotopes we're working with, and an atomic mass of 65.39 atomic mass units. There are two facts that we will use. The first is that we know how to write out the format, and that's the mass times its relative abundance. Add it all up will equal that weighted average. In this case, 65.39 AMU. The other thing we know is that if we add up all of our relative abundances, this has to equal 100%. And so we'll be using this fact to determine how we're going to make a substitution for unknown abundance A. So given this value, we can plug it in here, and the entire thing only has one unknown. So we get 64 times 100% minus B% plus 67 times B% equals 65.39 AMU. And so now 100% of 64 is just 64. And we multiply through with everything else. And now we resort to our classic math tricks of getting all the numbers on one side, so we'll subtract 64 from both sides, and just combining like terms. This leaves us with 3 times whatever the percentage is for B being equal to 1.39. And so now if we divide by 3 on both sides, we'll find that the value for the percentage of it, that's component B, is actually 46%. So since component B corresponds to zinc 67, we now know what we expect for both zinc 64 and zinc 67's relative abundances. This is 46%. Since the whole thing has to add up to 100, this has to be 54%.